Hi dear children, welcome back to mathematics class. I hope the concepts are very clear what I have taught you. Okay, we discussed on equality of matrices, operation on matrices, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication. In this section, we shall learn about transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. A is a matrix, is an order M by N. Then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called transpose of A. Okay, for example, A equal to matrix 1, 2, root 3, 5, 0, 6. Okay, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we have to write the transpose of A. We can denote the transpose of A is A dash or A raised to B. Okay. The transpose of A transpose is equal to, we have to interchange the rows and column. That means first row we have to change it as column. That means 1, 2. Next one root 3, 5. Then 0, 6. Now the order is 2 by 3. Next one, properties of transpose of the matrices. For any three matrices A, B and C of the suitable order, then first property is A transpose whole transpose equal to A. The second one, K A whole transpose equal to K into A transpose, where K is a scalar. The third property is A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. At last, AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay. Next, let's do a problem. If A is equal to 3 root 3 2 4 2 0 and B is equal to matrix 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Verify that first question to A transpose whole transpose equal to A. Second one, KB whole transpose equal to K into B transpose. Third one, A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Then first one, A transpose whole transpose equal to A. So first A is equal to, we know that 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. So A transpose equal to interchanging the rows and columns. So we can write A transpose equal to 3 4 root 3 2 2 0. Okay, so A transpose whole transpose equal to 1. We can interchange the row and column of the A transpose. So we write 3 4 is the row. We can change it as column. So 3 4 root 3 2 then 2 0. So 3 root 3 2 4 2 0 is our A. So we can write A transpose whole transpose equal to A. Second question is KB whole transpose equal to K into B transpose. So KB have right KB. K into B. Matrix B is equal to 1 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Okay. So K into B is equal to 2 into K 2K. K into minus 1 minus K. 2 into K 2K. Okay. Then what? K into 1? K into 2, 2K. Then next K into 4, 4K. So left side we got 2K minus K, 2K, K, 2K, 4K. Which is equal to, that is KB whole transpose equal to, interchange the rows and columns. That means 2K, K, second row minus K, 2K. Then third row what? 2K, 4K. So we got the left side. So what is our right side? How to prove K into B transpose. KB transpose equal to K into B transpose. B transpose means what? 2 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Okay, so which is equal to K into 2, 2K, 1 into K, minus 1 into K minus K, then 2K, here 2K and 4K. Okay, so KB whole transpose equal to K into B transpose. Okay. The third question is A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay. Then first we have to find out A plus B. So A plus B equal to matrix 3 root 3 2 4 2 0 plus matrix 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Okay, which is equal to matrix 3 plus 2 5 root 3 plus minus 1. That means root 3 minus 1 2 plus 2 4. Here 4 plus 1 5 2 plus 2 4. Here 0 plus 4 4. Okay, A plus B. The next A plus B whole transpose, which is equal to interchanging the rows and column of A plus B. That means 5 root 3 minus 1 4, third row 4 4. So we got the left side. Next we have to find out the right side. That is A transpose equal to. So A transpose means it will become 3 4 root 3 2 and 2 0. Okay. And B transpose equal to matrix 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4. Okay. Then A transpose plus B transpose equal to matrix 3 plus 2 5 4 plus 1 also 5 root 3 plus minus 1. That means root 3 minus 1 2 plus 2 4 2 plus 2 4 0 plus 4 4. Okay, so A transpose plus B transpose equal to matrix 5 5 root 3 minus 1 4 and 4 4. So here A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Therefore we will write A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, if A is equal to matrix minus 2 4 5 and B is equal to matrix 1 3 minus 6, verify that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, so first we have to find out AB. So AB is equal to matrix minus 2 4 5 into matrix 1 3 minus 6. Okay, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 2 into minus 6 is 12. The second row is 4 into 1 4 4 into 3 12, then 4 into minus 6 is minus 24. Okay, the third row is 5 into 1 5 into 1 5 5 into 3 15, then 5 into minus 6 is minus 13. So we got AB. We got AB. Therefore AB whole transpose equal to matrix. You can interchange the rows and column. So minus 2 4 5 minus 6 12 15. The third row is 1 12 minus 24 minus 13. So we got the AB whole transpose. Next, B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose. So B transpose equal to what? Interchange the rows and column. That means 1 3 minus 6 into A transpose. A transpose equal to which will come minus 2 4 5. Okay, which is equal to matrix 1 into minus 2 minus 2 1 into 4 4 1 into 5 5. The second row is 3 into minus 2 minus 6 3 into 4 12, then 3 into 5 15. The third row is minus 6 into minus 2. That makes 12 minus 6 into 4. That is minus 24. Then minus 6 into 5 is minus 13. So we got B transpose into A transpose. Therefore, we have to say AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Next topic is symmetric matrix. A square matrix matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. For example, A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3, 6, 7. Okay. Then A transpose equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3, 6, 7. Okay. Therefore, A transpose equal to A. So here A transpose are equal. So it is a symmetric. Next topic is skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A and all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. For example, A equal to matrix 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 5, minus 3, minus 5, 0. Okay. Then A transpose equal to matrix 0, minus 2, minus 3, then 2, 0, minus 5, then 3, 5, 0. Okay, which is equal to, from this matrix you can take negative outside. So minus of matrix 0, 2, 3, here minus 2, 0, 5, here minus 3, minus 5, 0. Okay, that means minus 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 5, minus 3, minus 5, 0 is our A, matrix A. That is minus A. Therefore, A transpose equal to minus A. So it is a skew symmetric matrix. Now we are going to prove some result of symmetric and skew symmetric. Theorem 1. For any square matrix A with a real number entries, A plus A transpose is a symmetric and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Proof. Let us consider B equal to A plus A transpose. B equal to A plus A transpose. Then B transpose equal to, so we can write A plus A transpose whole transpose. So we know that A plus B whole transpose equal to what? A transpose plus B transpose. Same way, A plus A transpose whole transpose is equal to how we can write? That is A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. Okay, so which is equal to A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose equal to what? That is A. That is A. So already we studied that A commutative property. A transpose plus A is equal to what we can write? A plus A transpose. Which is equal to A plus A transpose is equal to what? It is B. So B transpose equal to B. So B transpose equal to B. It is a symmetric matrix. Next we have to prove A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So let us consider C is equal to A minus A transpose. Okay, so C transpose equal to what? A minus A transpose whole transpose. So we know that A minus B whole transpose equal to what? A transpose minus B transpose. So here A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose. So which is equal to A transpose minus. So A transpose whole transpose is equal to what? Is A. So from this we can take negative outside. That means A minus A transpose. So which is equal to minus. A minus A transpose we consider as C. So which is equal to minus C. Therefore C transpose equal to minus C. So C transpose equal to minus C means it is skew symmetric matrix. Clear? Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That is A equal to 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose. So it can be written in the form of A is equal to P plus Q, where P is equal to 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose and Q is equal to 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose. Let's do a problem. Express the matrix A is equal to 2 minus 3, 4, 1 minus 2 minus 3 as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So we know that A is equal to, what is the formula? A is equal to P plus Q, where P is equal to 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose. Okay, so which is equal to 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose. So A is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is A plus A transpose. Let A transpose is equal to what? Matrix 2 minus 1 1, then minus 2 3 minus 2, then minus 4 4 minus 3. Okay, so which is equal to 1 by 2 of matrix 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 plus minus 1, that is minus 3, minus 4 plus 1, that is also minus 3, minus 1 plus minus 2, that is also minus 3, 3 plus 3, that is 6, 4 plus minus 2, 2, 1 plus minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 plus 4, that is 2, then minus 3 plus minus 3, that is minus 6, which is equal to matrix 1 by 2 of this matrix means what? 4 by 2, 2, minus 3 by 2, okay, minus 3 by 2, yeah, minus 3 by 2, 6 by 2, 3, 2 by 2, 1, okay, then minus 3 by 2, 2 by 2, 1, minus 6 by 2, minus 3. Okay, so we got P is equal to matrix 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 3, 1, minus 3 by 2, 1, minus 3. Same way, we have to find out Q also. Next, Q. Q equal to 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose. That is Q equal to 1 by 2 of A. A is equal to what is the matrix? That is 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, minus A transpose. A transpose equal to what? 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2, then third row minus 4 4 minus 3. Okay, so which is equal to 1 by 2 of matrix 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 2 minus minus 1. That means minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1. That means minus 5. Okay. In second row, minus 1 minus minus 2. That means minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is what? That is 1. 3 minus 3. That is 0. 4 minus minus 2, that means 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 1 minus minus 4, that is 5. Minus 2 minus 4, that means minus 6. Minus 3 minus minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Okay, so which is equal to matrix 0 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2. Okay, here second row 1 by 2, 0 by 2, 0, 6 by 2, 3. Here the third row is 1, 5 by 2. Okay, then minus 6, 3. Then 0 by 2, 0. So we got Q equal to 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 3, 5 by 2, minus 3, 0. Now we got P and Q. Okay, the next P plus Q. So P plus Q equal to matrix. P is equal to what we got now? 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2, 3, 1. The third row is minus 3 by 2, 1, minus 3. Okay, plus Q. What is the matrix Q? Q is 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So 1 by 2, 0, 3. The third row is 5 by 2 minus 3, 0. So which is equal to? So 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is what? That is 2. Minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That means it will come minus 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus minus 5 by 2. It is minus 4. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is minus 1. 3 plus 0, that is 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that is 1. 1 plus minus 3, minus 2. Minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. That is this matrix. This matrix 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, 3, 4. 1 minus 2, minus 3, that is the given matrix A. So we got A. B plus 2 is equal to A. A matrix can be write in the form of sum of n, symmetric and skew symmetric. Next problem is, if A is equal to matrix cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, then verify that A transpose into A equal to I. Okay. And says, so we have to prove A transpose into A is equal to I. So first we have to write A transpose. So A transpose equal to what? Cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. Okay. So A transpose into A is equal to matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha. Second row, sin alpha cos alpha into A is equal to first two, that is cos alpha sin alpha. Okay, second row is not minus sin alpha cos alpha, which is equal to matrix. First element, how we will get? First row into first column. So cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, plus minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha. So negative into negative, positive. Sin alpha into sin alpha, we can write sin square alpha. Okay. Same way, first row into second column. Cos alpha into sin alpha. That means cos alpha sin alpha. Minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Sin alpha cos alpha. Okay. In second row, sin alpha into cos alpha. That means sin alpha cos alpha. Okay. Plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha. That means minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, the second row into second column. Sin alpha into sin alpha is what? That is sin square alpha. So sin square alpha, then cos alpha into cos alpha plus cos square alpha. Okay, so it is equal to matrix. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to what is that? That already we studied. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So here write 1. Sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. That is what? That is 0. Okay. Here cos alpha sin alpha plus minus of sin alpha cos alpha. So both are cancelled. That is also 0. Here sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So 1 0 0 1. That is identity matrix of order 2. So it is equal to I. Okay. Therefore now we got A transpose into A is equal to I. Okay, let's wind up today's session. Do practice well. Thank you.